Your MotivHealth HSA comes with a debit card to use for convenient spending on all qualified medical expenses. With your HSA Debit Card, you can use your HSA funds on prescription costs, doctor visits, and even things like bandaids. While there are many opportunities to use your HSA Debit Card, follow us on a day of errands to find out what it can and can't be used for. As you can see, your HSA debit card doesn't work for everything, but it's a helpful and convenient way to pay for medical expenses so you're not paying out of pocket. Have questions about using your HSA debit card? Call us today.